Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, if you have any black and white or grayscale picture and also old picture like this, and if you would like to recolorize the picture to become like this, don't worry guys, because to create this transformation is super easy, and in this video I will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can prepare your old and also the black and white photo. And surprisingly, to create this photo transformation or to recolor this photo or this old photo, you just need to visit this Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another platform or another AI, it is very okay guys, because you can do the experiment with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create or to recolor this old photo guys. And if you would like to try this in the Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the homepage of this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can start to click try Nano Banana over here. And I will start to upload the black and white and old picture or old photo. And after that, you can try this prompt, and you can simply copy it from the description box I put there, or you can also give it the screenshot and you can put it into your favorite AI to rewrite this prompt guys. And for example, and basically the prompt will be like this: restore and colorize the picture, this old picture or black and white historical portrait photo, and also add realistic natural skin tones and also detailed fabric texture and also subtle warm lighting, and also maintain the vintage mood and authenticity of the original photography and also the man's suit should appear dark charcoal, for example, or deep navy, and also his vest slightly lighter and the background softly neutral, and also keep the overall look clean, classic, and true 19th century photography with the realistic contrast and fine detail preservation. So this will be the prompt we will use, and you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the prompt that I used before to do this photo transformation. From this one, the picture of the Abraham Lincoln, by the way, and to become this one. And this is the detail. It is very smooth and also very natural, and you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. And this is the another picture after we generate it from this. It's kind of the gray vest to become almost brown or olive. Which one do you prefer? So you can start to modify this prompt into your favorite detail. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.